Hi. We wrote a song.
Let's drink some cough medicine. Not.
You know, Borat. I thought it was funny. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, dang. Okay. Okay.
This should be a serious song.
It is a serious song.
It's a very serious song about cough medicine.
Let's just go with the song. Flowers are growing and dying in this rain, just like our brains on cough medicine. It tasted like cherry and made Catherine throw up because we wanted to write a good song. Go drink some cough medicine, not because it won't give you a funny idea for a song, just a really lame one about the cough medicine we just drank. It looked kind of old, like your grandmother's face, but cough medicine doesn't really look like an old person's face. Flowers are growing and dying in this rain, and apparently her handwriting sucks. So I think we'll just keep watching the documentary on sex toys, and we officially hate cough medicine because it definitely doesn't give you good ideas
No good ideas.
for a song.